KingAlarm fires a female security guard in Braemar Estate apartment video.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
KingAlarm has sacked the female security officer who was present at the scene of an altercation which led to the shooting of a man at Braemar Estate in St. Andrew. A supervisor who was among the 6 security guards at the scene has also been suspended. John P. Azar, managing director of KingAlarm, made the announcement during a press conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel on Thursday. The female officer who was shown in the video as having used explicit language was one of 2 persons who clearly did not act in accordance with our best practices and guidelines in subduing Mr. Woolery, the licensed firearm holder. She, along with another male officer who appeared to slap Mr. Woolery in the face, were among persons charged by our internal disciplinary team, said Azar. The video footage of the incident shows Woolery engaged in a heated discussion with KingAlarm security officers about leaving the property before being attacked from behind by a man in civilian clothing said to be a security guard from the complex. A struggle ensued between the 2 men and a shot was subsequently fired, hitting the alleged security guard in the neck. The injured man was rushed to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he was admitted in a stable condition. The female guard came in for widespread criticism from the public, who deemed her behavior during the highly publicized incident to be most unprofessional. She pulled her gun, fired 1 round in the air, and proceeded to issue threatening remarks to businessman, 45-year-old real estate investor O'Neil Woolery. She can also be seen stomping on Mr. Woolery's leg repeatedly, then proceeding to place her foot in the man's face while he was being subdued by her colleagues on the ground.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.